Okay, so now we will start the new Madda letter, which is Ya Madda. So this is lesson number 15 and it is about Ya Madda. Okay, I'm just revising again the previous Madda letters. There are three Madda letters: Alif Madda, Vav Madda, and Ya Madda. The definition of Alif Madda was when Alif doesn't have a sign on it and the previous letter comes with Fatha, so we will call it Alif Madda. And for Vav Madda, it is when Vav has sukoon sign on it and the letter before Vav has Dhamma, so then we will call it Vav Madda. Then, whenever we see any Alif Madda or Vav Madda, so we stretch it for 2 seconds, correct?
Yes.
Now, the definition of Ya Madda is when Ya has sukoon sign on it and the letter before comes with Kasrah, so then we will call it Ya Madda. I repeat, when ya has sukoon on it, like here you can see, when ya has sukoon on it and the letter before ya comes with kasra, so then we call it ya madda and now we stretch it for 2 seconds. Got it? Start from here, read this.
Your screen isn't shared.
Oh, let me share the computer screen. I forgot. Okay, now can you see?
Yes.
Okay, start. Read from here.
Mm,
Very good. Excellent. Next.
mm,
Yeah, read louder.
B
Very good. Next.
T C G P P D.
Okay, so let's start the exercise. Okay, start from
Mm,
the first word. And first of all, tell me that is there any mother letter you see in this word?
I see Yaa Madda.
Ya madda. So in this word, there are two ya. Which one is ya madda? First one or second one? Or both?
First one.
First one. And what about the second one? Is it ya madda too
Second,
or not? Hmm?
second one's wow.
I can't hear you. Can you please talk louder?
The second one is wow.
The second one is wow. I'm talking about the last letter ya. There are two yas in this word, right?
Yes.
So tell me about both yas. Which one is ya madda, which one is not, or both are the ya madda.
Only the first one is Yaa Madda.
Or what about the second last ya?
That's wow Madda.
No, I'm talking about the last ya. Is it ya madda or not? The last letter, this ya. Is it ya madda or not?
No.
It's not. Why? So yes, is it? This is also ya madda. See, do you remember the definition of Ya Madda? I said when Ya has sukoon on it. So see, both Ya have sukoon on it, right? And the previous letter comes with kasra. So then we call it Ya Madda. So you can see the first Ya has sukoon on it, and the previous letter, which is Alif, it has kasra. So this is Ya Madda. Then check out the last Ya. That letter also has a sukoon on it. And the last and the previous letter, which is noon, has kasra. So this is also ya madda. So that's mean in this word both yas are ya madda. Got it?
Right.
Okay, now tell me about this vow. Is it vow madda or a normal vow? Vow madda, very good. Now read the whole word. Start from the right hand side because Arabic is start from the right hand side, not the left hand. So first letter we have that is Alif with kasra, and then Alif has Ya Madda. So read Alif with kasra and stretch it for 2 seconds.
Yawa Isa.
No, Alif has kasra. Read Alif with kasra.
Mm,
Yes, and just stretch it for 2 seconds because Alif has Ya Madda. So it will be E.
E,
Now second,
Wa.
not Va. Wow doesn't have a fatha. How can you read Va?
Does it have sukoon?
Sorry.
Does it have sukoon on top?
Yes, Vav has sukoon and sukoon doesn't have any sign. It just need to connect with the previous letter, that's it. And because it is Vav Madda, so what we do, we just stretch the previous letter for 2 seconds.
Ah,
E two.
Itu,
Next.
Kifa.
E two. Then,
Kifa.
sorry. Actually, your voice is glitching, so that's why I can't hear you properly. Can you please repeat the word?
Ito kifa.
Where is kifa?
At the end, you got
It's not kaf, it's
got
noon.
no
No, noon has
cake.
kasra. Noon has kasra. See? Come on, read. What is the sound of noon?
Mm,
Now read the with the kasra.
no
No, no. How can it be no? The kasra sound is e, so it will be ni.
ni
Yes, and then after we have ya madda, so what we do?
e
We stretch it. Ni.
ni
Now the whole word.
ito niya e.
Just ni. Don't pronounce ya. I just told you that when any letter comes with sukoon, we don't pronounce that letter.
Okay.
Now go to the next word.
Mo ba
No. See the signs. What is the sign on ba?
e.
So read ba with kasra.
Where is wa?
Sorry.
Where is wa?
Where is what?
You said read wa with kasra.
No, no. I said ba with kasra, not wow.
B
Yes. Mubi. We stretch it because ya madda.
maybe
Then come on, the last letter.
nin
Excellent. Read again the whole word.
mubinin
Very good. Just stretch it little bit more. Mubinin.
mubinin
Excellent. Very good. Go to the next word.
ya
Hmm.
de
Hmm. Keep going.
you
Uh-huh. What is?
kan.
No, no, no. What is the name of this letter?
Which letter?
The last letter.
Kaf,
No, it's not calf.
lam,
No,
ma,
it's
mim,
meme. Meme. Yes, meme with the double fatha.
min, or
No, no,
man.
no. Yes, man. Now read again the whole word.
Ya de man.
Very good. Next.
Katiran.
Read again. Not
Katiran.
kati. It's tha. Kasi.
Katiran.
Very good. Next.
Maji. Dun.
Excellent. Very good.